Okay, next I'll just walk you through how to use the Trendline tool. So coming up to the top, here's the Trendline tool, left click on it. Now when drawing trend lines, it's a little bit different than drawing a horizontal line. So when drawing a trend line, you need to left click, hold, drag and position. So start where you want to start from, left click, hold, drag, position, and then when you're happy with your position, let go of your mouse click and the line's drawn. Okay, again, yes, I've pre-configured the lines, but you can go in and change. So double click on the line, then right click on the line, left click on Trendline properties, and then again you can come in and change any of the options. So using the drop down menu, let's make this line red, left click, and we'll just get a thinner line, left click, and then we'll put in a dashed line, left click, and then at the moment the line is shooting out into infinity. If you don't want your lines to be shooting out into infinity, if you come to the parameters tab, you can untick the ray option here. Okay, I'm going to leave it as is, but that's how you can alter the styling as well. So left click on OK, and we'll see that that line is now red and dashed. And I might just go back and change it. So right click on again, left click on Trendline properties, and I much prefer it to be black. And on the second thickness, and left click on OK. There we go. Alright, to deselect the line, you simply double left click close to the line, and if you want to delete the line, double click on, right click on, and then come down to delete and left click on delete, and the line is deleted. Okay, so that's how to draw a trend line on a chart.